how to hide the taskbar automatically in Windows 11 whenever you enter any other application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get a full screen experience by hiding your taskbar when it is not in use. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is head on to the settings of your Windows computer. And once you're inside the settings, you need to head on to system. Now within the system, you will need to scroll down and you can see a number of different types of options. If you cannot find any particular options from here, what you can do is simply go to the top search panel and then simply search for taskbar. That would be more easier. You will see this taskbar settings. So click here and within the taskbar settings, simply scroll down and click on taskbar behaviors. Now within the taskbar behaviors, you will see under the taskbar alignment this option of automatically hide the taskbar. Make sure this is enabled and now you can see taskbar will only appear when you place your cursor towards the bottom of the screen. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.